Today's presentation is Italian lentil soup. This is the lentils, dried lentils, which is commercially available. Put it in water and let it soak overnight. Before this has been soaked overnight, now we are boiling it with water. For the lentil soup, we are using tomatoes, cabbage, celery leaves, and a potato. For cabbage leaves and put in water for washing. Cabbage is known to have a lot of pesticides and chemicals during growing. So that's why you have to soak it in water so that the chemicals dissolve away and wash it thoroughly. See, tomatoes, celery leaves and cabbage are already getting soaked in the water. This is to remove the chemicals, as nowadays agriculture uses lots of pesticides and chemicals for their growing. So it's important to immerse them in water for some time. Cut cabbage into small parts. Cut potatoes. Striped cut potatoes. Then cut it into cubes.
Small cubes.
Potato, small cubes. Cut celery leaves. Cut into about 1 inch size pieces. Cut a tomato also into cubes. Cabbage, potatoes, celery leaves and tomatoes have been cut into smaller cubes. Peel off an onion. Onion into slices. Then cut into small pieces. The peel off garlic. Cut into small pieces. Now the vegetables have been cut. Onions cut. Garlic is cut ready. Cut the carrot into cubes. Put a saucepan on the stove. Add oil. We use here mustard oil.
No, olive oil.
Yeah, olive oil. And sometimes we use mustard oil, but you can use cooking oil as well. That's your preference. Then add onion, sliced onion. Now stir.
Inside the fry. Yeah.
Now add the prepared vegetables one by one. Depending on their cooking time, the more rougher ones to be first, more softer ones to be last. Meanwhile, stir. First add potatoes and carrots, because this needs more time to be cooked. Now stir. Stir for even cooking as well. They don't get stuck into the saucepan. Now add tomato. Stir. This is a healthy food. According to the theme of our channel, we give only healthy food for the world over. We blend different cuisine of various regions on earth and produce healthy recipes, avoiding unhealthy ingredients. Healthy. Adding. Now add cabbage.
I think you're too much. I put half. Now this
Now
one,
at last celery leaves.
you put half too much.
Now stir them very well. This is pure vegetables, so it's healthy. Stir regularly. Pepper powder. Add cooking broth, chicken broth. Now we added chicken broth. It is liquidy. Add tomato ketchup or tomato paste.
No ketchup, paste. Ketchup.
Add tomato paste and
Give
stir.
some more flavor.
Yes, tomato paste gives more flavor. Add tomato paste. It gives more flavor to the dish. Now it's boiling and looks appetizing. Sure, it will be tasty. A tasty, healthy vegetable dish. To make it more purified, you can remove the tomato skins. Then the dish can be presented at any function.
One day I will put a little pasta.
Add pasta.
Yeah. This is small.
That's the pasta we use.
This is white.
That's the already boiled lentils.
Yeah.
Add lentils into the stew while mixing it. The dish is ready now. Italian lentil soup or Italian lentils stew. That's the completed dish. Tasty, delicious.